In this chapter, we know some basic concepts about tangents and norms. Tangents and norms are given with respect to a point lying on some curves. Let this be xy axis, x, y, and origin, ox, oy, origin. And let this will be a curve. We have a point P on this curve, say Pxy. We want two things. One is tangent at the point P, and second is norm at the point P. Let Q be another point in neighborhood of P, say Qx plus delta x, comma y plus delta y, like this. This line will be PQ, yeah, it will be a chord of the given curve meeting point P and Q to each other. Let us draw a line PT such that it touches the point P. Make angle psi. Let AB APB be a given curve, and P be a point on curve. Let Q be another point on curve in neighborhood of P. Neighborhood of P. H Q tends to P, the chord PQ tends to a definite line PT, definite line PT. Which is count as tangents at point P on the curve APB. Now we have discussed about norm or definition of norm. And then what will be? We take a drawing line at a point P on the curve AB, which makes a right angle to the line PT, say PN. And this line is said to be normal. This will be tangent. This will be normal. A line PN is said to be normal at the point P on the curve APB, which passes through from the point P and makes a right angle that is perpendicular to the tangent's line PT. Here we give two definitions. First definition is definition of now tangent, and second definition is definition of now. We want to derive some equation for tangent and now. Let equation of tangents and norms. The equation of line passing through the points P and Q is given by y minus y is equal to y plus delta y minus y upon x plus delta x minus x and capital X minus x. Why? Because we know that y minus y1, y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 into x minus x1 is equation of 9 passing to the point from x1 and y1. And so, which implies that y minus y is equal to delta y upon delta x, x minus x. As Q tends to P delta y upon delta x reduces into dy by dx by definition of differential coefficient, which implies that y minus y is equal to ddx of y x minus x as Q tends to P. Equation number 2, which implies that y is equal to y plus ddx of y x minus x, which implies that y is equal to ddx of y x plus y minus x ddx of y. Say equation number third. In general, equation of state line is given by y is equal to mx plus c in gradient form. Where m is equal to tensile size hanging made by line from positive direction of x-axis anti-clockwise. So, say equation number 4. Comparing equation 3rd and 4, we have m is equal to tan psi is equal to ddx of y. ddx of y, which is equation number 5. Now, if it is given that we want to find out norms, then let m dash be the gradient of the normal. So, since tangents and normal are perpendicular, which implies that m into m dash is equal to minus 1, which implies that m dash is equal to minus 1 by m, which implies that minus dx upon dy dz. 5. So, equation of normal at the point P is given by y is equal to m dash x plus y plus x dx upon dy. that is y minus y is equal to minus dx upon dy x minus x. Then it will go to here y and it will be what? Minus minus plus x dx upon dy and minus dx upon dy is equal to x, which implies that y is equal to m dash x plus c dash is equation of normal P here m dash is equal to minus dx upon dy and c dash is equal to y plus x dx upon dy. Thus we finally found out the equation of tangents and equation of. Now if this is form of Cartesian, we think if it is given in form of parametric equation, then what will be going? Net equation of the curve given in form of parametric equation x is equal to phi t and y is equal to gt. See? Then what will be happen? Then dx upon dt is equal to phi dash t and dy upon dt is equal to g dash t. So dy upon dx is equal to dy upon dt upon dx upon dt, which implies that g dash t upon phi dash t, which implies that equation of tangent is given by y minus gt is equal to g dash t upon I dash t and x minus phi t, and equation of normal is given by y minus gt minus phi dash t upon g dash t x minus phi t. Now we have a study some cases like that. If axis is parallel to tangent is parallel to x-axis, tangent is parallel to y-axis, then what happened? Let some case let tangent is parallel to x-axis, means it makes geo angle a pi angle. Then what will be happen? This implies that dy upon dx is equal to 0, which implies that equation of tangent y minus y is equal to 0, and equation of normal y minus y is equal to minus dx upon dy x minus x, which implies that y minus y is equal to minus 1 by gu x minus x, which implies that x minus x is equal to 0. Okay, second, similarly, if tangent is parallel to y-axis, equation of tangent is x minus x is equal to 0, and equation of normal is y minus 0. We have do some example on it. For example, let us consider find the equation of tangent and normal. Normal at theta is equal to pi by 2 to the curve x is equal to a theta plus sine theta comma y is equal to a 1 plus cos theta. Solution. What will be solution? Since we see that it is in quadratic form and the point is pi by 2, then what will be x is equal at theta is equal to pi by 2, x is equal to a pi by 2 plus sine pi by 2, and y is equal to a 1 plus cos pi by 2, which implied x is equal to a pi by 2 plus 1 and y is equal to a at cos pi by 2 is equal to 0 at theta is equal to pi by 2. And also dx upon d theta is equal to a 1 plus cos theta, and dy upon d theta is equal to a minus 1 का 0 cos का minus sin theta at theta is equal to pi by 2 dx upon d theta is equal to, cos theta is 0, a, and dy upon d theta is equal to minus a. So dy upon dx is equal to dy upon d theta upon dx upon d theta is equal to minus a upon a is equal to minus 1 at theta is equal to pi by 2. So equation of tangent at theta is equal to pi by 2 is given by y minus y is equal to dx of y x minus x at theta is equal to pi by 2, which implies y minus y, but that will be a, and dy by dx minus 1, and x minus x a pi by 2 plus 1, a pi by 2 plus 1, which implies that y is equal to a minus x plus minus plus a pi by 2 plus a. What will be? It will become here, then x plus y is equal to a 2 plus pi by 2. The required equation of tangent. And equation of normal at theta is equal to pi by 2 is given by y minus y and 1 upon minus 1, x minus x at theta is equal to pi by 2, which implies y minus y a, and this is minus 1 upon minus plus x minus x. What will be x? A pi by 2 plus 1. A pi by 2 plus 1 1. Then it will be y minus x, and this will minus a, and this will be also minus a. That will be cancelled out. Then here come a pi by 2 is equal to 0. Required equation of normal.